Coming next is the athleisure collection for kids. So this is a hybrid concept which is picking up very well now. So this has a kind of collection which will carry more roominess in them, lots of provision for body movement, lots of ease. So it is not just like your sleepwear or your casual wear. It's something at a hybrid level where you can as well wear it and go out. You can probably attend a small tea party, or probably you can quickly attend a meeting and come back. Those kind of clothing, which is very comfortable, and the kind of fabrics that is being used in these kind of collections are very, very good because they are highly absorbent, very breathable, next to skin. So these qualities will enable the person to enjoy utmost comfort in the pair of athleisure kind of clothing styles. And especially in kids' world, this really working very well. So kids prefer to be in athleisure kind of styles throughout the day. So, in fact, in Western countries, many schools have come up with uniform styles which follow these kind of athleisure collection styles. So, this is normally combined with loose t-shirts, and they are combined with hoods. They are combined with a little jacket kind of a fit. So, these things will enable the child to carry more comfort, and they feel that they have better liberty, and they have lots of freedom to express themselves, and at the physical activity level they are more comfortable. So this is the reason this is going to be the most amazing and the most picking up thing in terms of kids fashion trend in this season. So coming to the next concept of personalized fashion for kids. So personalized, or what we call it as customized designs, they always have a say in the market. So when we have all the styles, whatever, all the factors that we discussed till now, and when we compare it with the personalized or the customized kind of styles, so customized styles have a greater say, they share a better market. The reason being, each child is different, and for a parent, every occasion is important when it comes to kid. So whether it is a birthday, a graduation day, or a party, or a holiday, so for every reason, for every season, they have a reason to walk up to a designer. So they know what exactly their kid wants, and they are able to understand what it takes to define a pair of clothes to be specific in use for that particular occasion. So this has given rise to a greater demand for customized clothing. And secondly, the changes in the lifestyle of people and kids. So kids, many a times, they don't fit into the sizes that is offered by the ready to wear. So in that case, customization is something that they can always look up to. And the third thing, when they are specific about the kind of fabric or the color they are looking for. So these things makes customized area or the approach a very, very lucrative one. And more customization will happen in the forthcoming years. And beyond all this, there's a personal expression that child enjoys when we go for customization. So a child can look what exactly the look he or she wants to carry when they go in for customization. So these are all the benefits that customized pair of clothes offers a child. So this is going to be a very well researched and most picking up sector in kids fashion trend.